Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. If you're wondering what to do with basil, I have some suggested flavor combinations or food combinations that might give you some ideas on what to do, something a little different than what you thought of before. You can combine basil with capers and tomatoes, or basil with chilies, cilantro, garlic, lime, and mint. That's interesting. How about basil with chilies, olive oil, pine nuts, and sun-dried tomatoes? Yum. How about basil with corn and tomatoes? Or basil with cucumbers, mint, and peas? That sounds yummy. How about basil with garlic, olive oil, Parmesan cheese, and pine nuts? Or basil with garlic, olive oil, and tomatoes? How about basil with mozzarella cheese and olive oil? Or basil with mushrooms and tomatoes? Or basil with tomatoes and white beans in there as well? Well, I do hope this list gives you some ideas. Let me know if there's some special way that you like to use basil. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.